18 effective alum powder uses and health benefits that you never even think of it. Alum powder, also known as Fitkari, has been utilized in traditional remedies for centuries, yet its versatility is often underappreciated. Beyond its general uses, alum powder offers some surprising benefits for health, beauty, and everyday wellness. Let's delve into 10 remarkable uses and health benefits of alum powder that you might not have even imagined. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Skin tightening and pore minimization. Alum powder is revered for its astringent properties, which make it a fantastic natural solution for skin tightening. When applied to the skin in diluted form, alum helps reduce the size of pores and provides a temporary lift, reducing sagging and wrinkles. A real-life case study shared by a wellness blog highlighted the experience of a middle-aged woman using an alum toner thrice weekly. She saw a visible reduction in enlarged pores after consistent use for 2 months. User experience. Another user reported that using alum mixed with rosewater as a toner helped improve her skin texture, making her pores less visible and giving her a smoother complexion after just a few weeks of regular use. Scientific backing. Alum contains potassium, a mineral known for contracting tissues, which is why it is so effective in skin tightening and pore minimization. Number 2. Acne treatment and prevention. Alum's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective acne treatment. Applied as a paste with rosewater, alum powder helps reduce the redness and size of active acne while also preventing future breakouts. A user testimonial from an online skincare community revealed that alum reduced her cystic acne flare-ups by half over 3 months. User experience. Many users have reported that applying an alum paste to problem areas overnight led to reduced inflammation and quicker healing of their acne. Scientific evidence. Research indicates that alum's sulfuric compounds are key in combating bacteria on the skin, including acne-causing Propionibacterium acnes. Number 3. Natural deodorant. One of the oldest and most widespread uses of alum is as a natural deodorant. Alum inhibits the growth of bacteria responsible for body odor. Users have noted it is particularly beneficial for individuals with sensitive skin, as it lacks the harsh chemicals often found in commercial antiperspirants. A user experience shared on a wellness forum described that using alum daily after a shower helped eliminate body odor issues without causing any rashes. User experience. Another user mentioned that using alum as a deodorant eliminated her body odor for up to 24 hours without any irritation, making it her go-to natural deodorant solution. Practical use. Simply rub a damp alum block under your arms after bathing for effective odor control throughout the day. Number 4. Dandruff treatment. For those struggling with dandruff, alum powder is an effective solution. Its antimicrobial properties help reduce dandruff by killing off the yeast-like fungi that thrive on the scalp. Several personal reviews indicated that a mixture of alum and water when applied as a hair rinse once a week helped alleviate dandruff within 4 weeks. User experience. One user shared that after using an alum rinse weekly for a month, her scalp was noticeably less itchy and the flakes were significantly reduced. How to use. Dissolve a teaspoon of alum powder in a cup of water and apply to the scalp after shampooing. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Number 5. Hair removal. Alum is used extensively in traditional hair removal practices. Mixed with rose water, alum forms a paste that weakens hair roots and gradually reduces hair growth. This is especially popular in South Asia for removing fine facial hair. User insight. One user shared their experience using alum paste after waxing, noting that consistent use over 6 months led to significantly reduced regrowth. User experience. Another user mentioned that using alum for hair removal was less painful compared to other methods, and over time, hair regrowth became finer and sparser. Number 6. Relief from sunburn. Alum can provide soothing relief for sunburned skin. It helps cool the skin and reduces the discomfort and redness that accompany a burn. Making an alum water compress and applying it to the affected areas has been reported to expedite healing. User experience. A user shared that applying alum water compress to her sunburn provided almost instant relief from the burning sensation, and the redness subsided considerably by the next day. Scientific basis. The potassium in alum can help draw out heat from the burn, while its anti-inflammatory action soothes irritated skin. Number 7. Treatment for mouth ulcers. Alum's antiseptic properties can help relieve the pain and inflammation associated with mouth ulcers, stomatitis. By applying a mixture of alum powder and honey to the sore area, users have reported reduced healing time. User experience. One user noted that applying alum and honey to her mouth ulcers significantly reduced the pain and healed the ulcers within a few days compared to other treatments she had tried. Case study. In a pilot study involving 20 participants with recurrent mouth ulcers, 75% of those using alum honey treatment experienced quicker healing compared to those using only topical treatments. Number 8. Minor cut and wound treatment. Alum powder can be used to treat minor cuts and nicks, especially those from shaving. Applying alum powder helps stop bleeding, prevents infection, and promotes faster healing. This is why barbers have traditionally used alum sticks for nicks and cuts during shaving. User experience. Many users have shared that applying alum powder to small cuts not only stops bleeding quickly, but also prevents any stinging sensation compared to other antiseptics. Scientific evidence. The mineral astringency helps constrict blood vessels and promotes clotting, stopping bleeding effectively. Number 9. Natural hair straightening. Alum can be a gentle alternative to chemical straightening products. When combined with water or egg whites, alum helps loosen curls and smoothens hair. A user experience shared on a natural beauty blog detailed how weekly use of an alum and egg white mask for 3 months gave the hair a straighter and shinier appearance without the need for chemicals. User experience. Another user stated that after using an alum and egg white mask, her hair felt softer, shinier, and easier to manage without the frizz. DIY treatment. Mix a teaspoon of alum powder with 1 egg white, apply it to damp hair, leave for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory properties for swelling and sprains. Alum's anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for reducing swelling from minor injuries and sprains. Alum baths, where the powder is dissolved in warm water, can provide relief for sore muscles and inflammation. Real-life application. Athletes have used alum baths to manage soreness, and personal testimonials from users suggest that soaking the affected area for 20 minutes noticeably reduces swelling and pain. User experience. A sports enthusiast mentioned that soaking his sprained ankle in alum water provided significant pain relief and reduced swelling faster than ice packs. Number 11. Water purification. Alum has been used for centuries as a water purification agent. Adding a small amount of alum powder to turbid water helps coagulate impurities, making it easier to filter and providing cleaner, safer drinking water. User experience. A user shared that using alum to purify pond water while camping made the water visibly clearer and significantly reduced the need for additional filtration. Scientific backing. Alum works as a coagulant, binding to fine particles in water and causing them to settle, which makes the water easier to filter and purify. Number 12. Relief from sore throat. Gargling with alum water can help provide relief from a sore throat. Alum's astringent properties help reduce swelling in the throat and eliminate bacteria causing discomfort. User experience. One user mentioned that after gargling with alum water for 2 days, her sore throat pain was almost completely gone, and she found it more effective than saltwater gargles. How to use. Dissolve half a teaspoon of alum powder in a glass of warm water and gargle with it twice a day for effective relief. Number 13. Vaginal tightening and hygiene. Alum has traditionally been used in some cultures for vaginal tightening and maintaining hygiene. Its astringent properties help in contracting tissues, which can provide temporary firmness. User insight. Some women have reported using diluted alum water for vaginal douching under the guidance of a healthcare professional, but it is crucial to approach this use with caution. User experience. A user shared that using alum water under the supervision of her gynecologist helped maintain hygiene and provided a sense of cleanliness without irritation. Number 14. Foot odor treatment. Alum can also be used to treat foot odor. Its antibacterial properties help eliminate the bacteria responsible for unpleasant smells. Soaking feet in alum water for 10 to 15 minutes can significantly reduce foot odor. User experience. A user mentioned that after using alum water foot soaks twice a week, her foot odor issues were completely resolved and her feet felt refreshed. DIY treatment. Mix a tablespoon of alum powder in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 minutes to keep foot odor at bay. Number 15. Anti-Lice Treatment. Alum can be effective in treating lice infestations. When mixed with water and applied to the scalp, alum helps eliminate lice and nits due to its toxic effect on these parasites. User experience. A parent shared that applying an alum solution to her child's hair helped reduce lice significantly within a few weeks with minimal discomfort. How to use. Mix alum powder with water and apply it to the scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Repeat once a week until the lice are completely gone. Number 16. Anti-Fungal Treatment for Athlete's Foot. Alum's antifungal properties can help alleviate fungal infections like athlete's foot. Applying an alum paste or soaking the feet in an alum solution can help treat and prevent such infections. User experience. A user with an athlete's foot mentioned that soaking his feet in alum water daily for 2 weeks significantly reduced itching and helped clear up the infection. How to use. Mix alum powder with water to form a paste and apply it to the affected area, or soak your feet in a solution of alum water for 15 to 20 minutes. Number 17. Use in shaving cream preparation. Alum powder can be added to homemade shaving creams to help reduce skin irritation and prevent razor bumps. Its soothing and astringent properties make it a great addition for smoother shaves. User experience. One user shared that adding alum powder to his shaving cream helped reduce razor bumps and left his skin feeling less irritated after shaving. DIY tip. Add a pinch of alum powder to your homemade shaving cream mixture to help prevent razor burn and reduce irritation. Number 18. Tooth whitening. Alum powder is sometimes used as a mild abrasive in natural tooth powders to help whiten teeth and improve oral hygiene. Always use in small quantities to avoid damaging tooth enamel. User experience. A user shared that using a small amount of alum powder in her toothpaste once a week led to visibly whiter teeth without any sensitivity issues. How to use. Mix a small amount of alum powder with your regular toothpaste or use it in a homemade tooth powder blend. Use sparingly to avoid enamel wear. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits and uses of alum powder. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these crystallized potassium aluminum sulfate. Question 1. Is alum powder safe for skin application? Yes, alum powder is generally safe for skin application when used in diluted form. However, it is advisable to conduct a patch test before applying it to larger areas to check for any adverse reactions. Overuse can lead to dryness or irritation, so moderation is key. Question 2. Can alum powder be used for teeth whitening? Yes, alum powder can be used as a mild abrasive in natural tooth powders to help whiten teeth. However, it should be used sparingly to avoid damaging the tooth enamel. It is best to use it no more than once a week. Question 3. How does alum help in water purification? Alum acts as a coagulant, binding to impurities and fine particles in water, causing them to settle at the bottom. This process makes the water clearer and easier to filter, making it safer for drinking. Question 4. Can alum powder be ingested? No, alum powder should not be ingested unless specifically prescribed by a healthcare professional. Ingesting alum can lead to gastrointestinal issues and other health concerns. Question 5. How effective is alum for treating dandruff? Alum is effective in treating dandruff due to its antimicrobial properties. It helps eliminate the fungi that cause dandruff and soothes an itchy scalp. A weekly alum rinse can help reduce dandruff over time. Question 6. Can alum be used to treat lice? Yes, alum can be effective in treating lice infestations. It is mixed with water and applied to the scalp, helping to eliminate lice and nits. However, it should be used with caution, and it is best to consult a healthcare provider for persistent lice issues. Question 7. Is alum good for reducing body odor? Yes, alum is a natural deodorant that inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Applying a damp alum block to the underarms after a shower can help control body odor effectively without the use of harsh chemicals. Question 8. How often can I use alum powder for skin tightening? For skin tightening, it is recommended to use alum powder no more than 2 to 3 times per week. Overuse can lead to dryness and irritation. Always dilute the alum powder before applying it to your skin. Question 9. Can alum powder be used for vaginal hygiene? Alum has been traditionally used for vaginal tightening and hygiene in some cultures. However, it is crucial to use it under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid any potential side effects or irritation. Question 10. Are there any side effects of using alum powder? Yes, potential side effects include skin dryness, irritation, and allergic reactions. It is important to dilute alum powder before use and perform a patch test. Consult a healthcare provider if you experience any adverse effects. Question 11. Can alum powder help in weight loss? There is no scientific evidence to support the use of alum powder for weight loss. Ingesting alum can be harmful, and it should not be used as a weight loss supplement. Always consult a healthcare provider before trying any weight loss treatments. Question 12. How long should I leave alum on my skin? It is recommended to leave alum on your skin for no more than 20 minutes. Prolonged exposure can lead to dryness and irritation. Always rinse thoroughly after application and moisturize to prevent dryness. Question 13. Can alum powder be used to treat fungal infections? Yes, alum powder has antifungal properties that make it effective against certain fungal infections, such as athlete's foot. However, it is advisable to consult a healthcare provider for persistent fungal issues. Question 14. Can alum powder be used to stop bleeding? Yes, alum powder can be used to stop minor bleeding from cuts and nicks. Its astringent properties help constrict blood vessels and promote clotting, which stops the bleeding. Question 15. Is alum powder effective for sore throat relief? Yes. Gargling with a solution of alum powder and warm water can provide relief from sore throat symptoms. The astringent properties of alum help reduce inflammation and kill bacteria causing the discomfort. Question 16. What are the different types of alum stones? Soda alum, also known as sodium alum or SAS, it is commonly found in baking powder and acts as an acidulant in food. The chemical name of this alum is sodium aluminium sulfate. It is found in white crystal form and smells metallic. Potash alum. In its single form, alum is also known as potassium alum or potash alum. The common alum we use is potassium alum, which occurs in white crystal form and has the smell of metallic water. It can be used to clean water. Chrome alum. Chrome alum, also known as chromium alum, is commonly found in purple crystal form and smells of metallic water. It is usually used in leather-making processes. Ammonium alum. Also known as ammonium sulfate alum, or AAS. This type of alum also exists in white crystal form. Its chemical formula is NH3A-SO4-2-12H2O and is mostly used in aftershave and hygiene products. Selenate alum. Selenate alum is different as selenium takes the place of sulfur here. Thus, it has the property of being a strong oxidizing agent. Selenate alum is commonly found in antiseptics to avoid infections. Each type has specific uses, but potassium alum is the most versatile for home remedies and personal care applications. Question 17. Is alum tawas? Yes, alum is also known as tawas, particularly in the Philippines. It is commonly used there for its deodorizing and skin tightening properties. Question 18. What is the best alum powder on the market now? The top 3 brands of alum powder on the market are Potash Alum Powder by Pure Organic Ingredients. Known for its purity and versatility, this product is suitable for skincare, water purification, and other personal care uses. Mountain Rose Herbs Potassium Alum Powder. This brand is known for its high-quality organic certification, making it ideal for natural health enthusiasts. Now Solutions Potassium Alum Stick. This convenient alum stick is highly effective as a natural deodorant and for use after shaving. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.